How to sign into TD EasyWeb online banking account. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Over here, you're gonna find the search box. Type in TD EasyWeb login and search for it. Different website links will appear. Click on this one website option, td.com. With that, you will be directed to the login page. Now from this page, you can easily log into your account. All you have to do is provide your TD account's credentials. So go ahead and type in your username or access card. Then type in your password. If you want to save your login info, check in for the option of Remember Me. In the case you have forgotten your username or password, you can click on this option, Forget your username or password, to recover it. Once you fill this, click on the option of Login, and just with that, you will be logged into your account. Well, this way you can easily sign into a TD EasyWeb online banking account. Likewise, in the case you haven't registered for your account yet, click on the option of Register Online Now and go through the process. Well, that's a wrap for this video. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.